You're always in a hurry, always busy. So is everyone you pass on the street. The ones who annoy you in traffic, the ones you brush past in the store. Every single one of them is rushing somewhere, thinking their story is the busiest, the most urgent. And yet, deep down inside each of us, there is another person, someone you could meet in the middle of the night in the forest and not feel fear. Someone you might even share a quiet moment of wonder with you. Because sometimes you walk into that darkness expecting danger and find the universe instead. Once a year, our speeding planet crosses path with another traveler, a comet. We don't collide, we just get splashed by its tires. Those cosmic droplets burn up in our atmosphere, and we call it a meteor shower. Every August, the Perseids strike across the night sky, a gift from the universe to those who remembered to look up. My wife and I, we are the odd ones in the family, the ones who collect impressions and moments instead of saving for retirement. We believe those are the only things you can take with you when you leave this world. Maybe you have people like that in your family. Maybe you are that person. So on a Tuesday night in the middle of the work week, we drove into the mountains, far from the light of the city, following that irrational urge to see the show. Of course, we saw shooting stars. My wife spotted more than I did. I was too busy feeding the algorithms with my cameras, so I wouldn't mind your like and subscription. But that wasn't the most remarkable thing. What struck me was this. Up in the forest, late at night, in a country where people wake before dawn for work, there wasn't a single free parking spot. Every flat patch of ground was covered with blankets and rugs, where dozens and dozens of people lay in the dark, faces turned upward, watching the sky. It felt like a beach in Spain, but in the dark and without the sea. People spoke in whispers, only to whose lying closest. And then, when a meteor scratches its bright mark across the night, you'd hear a collective breath, dozens of strangers gasping at the same second. It was warmth without touch, unity without words, the kind of unspoken connection that makes you believe we still share something good inside us. And I thought, as long as there are nights like this, when strangers still gather in the dark to look at the stars, the world is okay. And there is hope. Hope that feels like a faint glow on your skin, long after the last meteor has burned away. I'm Pavel Baturin. Thanks for watching. Ciao for now.